Hi guys, today I'm doing a follow-up video on the Eraclean Ultrasonic Cleaner. I've had this product now for about a year and wanted to let you know how it's going. But before I do that, for those of you who don't know much about the product, let me show you what this thing does. The product is designed to clean things like glasses, watches, jewelry and makeup brushes. Okay, so let's have a go at cleaning this dirty old shaver. Okay, the first thing we want to do is put the shaver inside the device and fill the tank up with water, making sure you don't exceed the maximum level. Next, pop on the lid and wait now for approximately 3 minutes. Okay, it's now 3 minutes later and we take off the lid. As you can see, the shaver is still dirty, however it is slightly cleaner than it was before. What I'm going to do now is add some dish detergent and pop it on for another 3 minutes. Okay, let's have a look if it's any cleaner this time. Okay, as you can see, the machine has clearly worked its magic. The shaver is 100 times cleaner than it was before. The main thing I use this device for is to clean my glasses. I use it approximately once a week. So let's have a look how it cleans them. Okay, 3 minutes later, and as you can see, the glasses are nice and clean. On my previous video, I was asked the question if this machine could clean contact lenses. I wouldn't recommend it. Eraclean, however, do offer an ultrasonic contact lenses cleaning machine that is more than capable of doing the job. Okay, final thoughts. So after a year, would I recommend this item? Well, what I like about it, it's so simple to use. It effectively cleans my glasses. It's great for someone like me who hates cleaning. And I love that it's so small and compact. What I don't like about it, well, with some items you need to run the cycle 3 or 4 times before the item is clean. And also, the noise can be annoying. But as you can see, the pros outweigh the cons, so yes, I would recommend this product. I've added links to this product in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.